And problem number 19, let me go here. If the average of the following marks obtained by students of class 5 is 35, so find the unknown number. This is what the marks obtained by each student, that 26, 45, 37, 43, 49, 20 and x. This is what we need to find out, and they have given other marks. See, let us check out here. We know that average is equal to sum of observation divided by number of observation, correct? Number of observation. Average they have given, that is 35, is equal to sum we need to find out, that is nothing but 26 plus 45 plus 37 plus 43 plus 49 plus 20 plus x plus 22 plus 30. That divided by total, how many number of students are there here? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now let us add it here, right? 0, so I'll take unit digits only now. 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 plus 0 is 2, 2 plus 9 is 11, 11 plus 3 is 14, 14 plus 7, 21, 21 plus 5, 26, 26 plus 6, 26 plus 6 is 32, 2 and 3 carry, 3 plus 3 is 6, 8, 10, 10 plus 4 is 14, 14 plus 4 is 16, 18, 18 plus 3 is 21, 25, 25 plus 2, 25 plus 2 is 27, so 270 plus x, that divided by 9. Now therefore, so this will become 35 into 9 is equal to 272 plus x. Now this I multiply, 9 7s are 9 5, the 9 5 is a 45, 5 4 carry, 9 3 is a 27 plus 4, 27 plus 4 is 31. So therefore x is equal to 315 minus 272. Now 5 minus 2 is 3, 31 minus 27 is 4. So the value of x is 43. Right, the unknown markers is equal to 43.